Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Hooked in Loops. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button, and for getting updates of new videos then please click the bell icon. Today I will show you how to make this beautiful crochet baby beanie with a cute flower attached to it. So at first I will show you how to make the flower, okay, and in the second part of the video I will show you how to make the beanie. So let's begin the flower. So we will begin with a magic circle. So it's very easy. First we will take the yarn and we will swirl it around two fingers like this, forming an X, and then insert the hook below the first loop and pull the second loop and yarn over and pull the yarn through that loop. So the magic circle is ready. So we will begin the round 1 with a chain 3. Okay, so 1, 2 and 3. This is the first double crochet of this round, followed by chain 2 for the chain 2 space. Yarn over, and in the magic circle we will do 1 double crochet. Okay, followed by chain 2. Okay, then again another double crochet in the magic circle. Again chain 2 for the space, and again yarn over and do a double crochet in the magic circle. Okay, followed by chain 2 again. In this way there will be a total of 10 double crochets in the magic circle, taking the first chain 3 as a double crochet 2. Okay, so in total 10 double crochets will be done, followed by chain 2 after each double crochets, and we will soon complete the round. We have nearly completed the round. After the last chain 2, we will just complete it by a slip stitch in the third chain of the starting chain 3 of this round. Okay, the slip stitch done, and so round 1 also ended. We will now begin the round 2. Okay, as usual we will begin with a chain 3. This is the first double crochet of this round. Okay, yarn over, and in the chain 2 space we are going to do 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3 and 1 more. Okay, that is 4. Done. Following that we have a double crochet stitch, but we will be doing our double crochets in the stem of that following double crochet stitch. Okay, so this is the stem. We will insert our hook like this from below and take it out and take the yarn out from there and do 5 double crochets in the stem. So 1 done. Yarn over, insert your hook from below and out of that stem, pull the yarn through that stem and do another double crochet. So 2 double crochets done. In the same way we are going to do 3 more double crochets in that stem. Okay, so 3, 4 and 1 more left, that is 5. So 5 double crochets are done. Then we have got the magic circle ring. Okay, so just follow carefully. Firstly I will show you where I will insert my hook and take it out. Insert your hook in the magic circle and take it out through that hole above. Okay, so yarn over, insert your hook in the magic circle, take it out through that hole, pull the yarn through it and do a double crochet. Then we have got the next double crochet stem. Okay, yarn over and we will do 5 double crochets in that double crochet stem. Okay, in the same way we will pull the yarn through that stem and do a double crochet. One done, 4 more left, so another one, yarn over and do 5 double crochets in that double crochet stem. Okay, it is quite easy. It may look difficult in the beginning, but once you get the hold on it, it will be easy for you to do. Then just about that double crochet stem where you did 5 double crochets, we have got the double crochet stitch. We are going to do one double crochet in that stitch. Okay, so insert your hook in the stitch, pull the yarn through it and do a double crochet. Done. So the first wave portion of the petal is done. Okay, look, it is little bit wavy. Okay, then we have got a chain 2 space. Yarn over and do 4 double crochets in that chain 2 space. Okay, the pattern is completely same as we did earlier. Okay, after the 4 double crochets, we have got the stem of the next double crochet. There we will do 5 double crochets. Okay, that is, insert your hook from below that stem and take it out. Okay, like this, and pull the yarn through it and do double crochet. In this way we will do 4 more double crochets in that stem, so in total 5. Now we have reached the lower portion. Okay, we will yarn over, okay, and insert our hook in the magic circle, take it out through the hole above, pull the yarn through it and do a double crochet. Okay, then we have got the adjacent double crochet stem. Okay, there we are in this stem, there we will yarn over. Okay, insert our hook below the stem, take it out, pull the yarn through it and do double crochet. In this way we will do 4 more double crochets in that stem. Okay, so in total 5 double crochets. After the 5 double crochets are done, we will do 1 double crochet in the stitch of that double crochet stem we had been working. Okay, yarn over and in the stitch above we will insert our hook. Okay, pull the yarn through it and do a double crochet. So look, it appears like a wave. Then in the next chain 2 space we will again begin with 4 double crochets. Okay, then in the following double crochet stem, we will do 5 double crochets. Then we have got the magic circle below. We will yarn over, okay, and insert our hook in the magic circle, take it out through the hole and pull the yarn through it and do a double crochet. Then we have got the double crochet stem, okay, adjacent one, where we will do 5 double crochets. We are going to do one double crochet in the double crochet stitch of that stem where we had been working. Done. Now we will do the fourth petal by our own and come back to you for the fifth one. In the chain 2 space we will be doing 4 double crochets. Okay. I will slowly show you the fifth one. After that we will do 5 double crochets in the adjacent stem. Okay, like this. Okay, so after the fifth double crochet we have got the magic circle just below, so yarn over, insert your hook in the magic circle. Okay, as I'm showing you, and take it out through the hole above. Pull the yarn through it and do one double crochet. Done. Then we have got the following double crochet stem where we will be doing 5 double crochets. Done. And at the end we will simply do a slip stitch in the third chain of the starting chain 3 of this round. Okay, followed by a chain 1, and we will cut the yarn. Just weave in the loose ends. Okay, and the flower is more or less ready. Okay, we will just simply stitch it from inside. I had kept a long tail in the beginning. If you don't have, you can take another yarn and insert the needle like this from the center. Okay, then we are going to stitch the center portion of each wave in this manner so that they are joined together. I hope you are understanding. We will take out the needle through the valley portion of the waves. Okay, so the central portion should be joined so that these don't come out. Okay, after you have done, just take the yarn outside from below. Okay, and your flower is ready. So the flower is ready. Done. Okay, I hope you liked this flower tutorial. Comment in the comment section for any queries. Now let's begin the hat portion of the tutorial. I will provide the size chart of the hats of babies of different ages. This tutorial is only for the premature kids head size. So firstly we will begin with doing a magic circle. Okay, after swirling the yarn around your fingers like this, put the hook from below the first loop and take out the second loop, yarn over and pass it through that loop. So the magic circle is done. We are going to do half double crochets in each round. So chain 2, which is the first half double crochet. Then in the magic circle we will be doing 5 more half double crochets. Okay, taking the first chain 2 as a half double crochet, we have in total 6 half double crochets in this round. Okay, we will soon complete our 6 half double crochets. Pull the tail of the magic circle to tighten the circle. After all the 6 half double crochet, we will complete this round with a slip stitch in the second chain of the starting chain 2 of this round. Okay, so the first round done. Let's begin the round 2. Okay, so with a chain 2, which is the first half double crochet of this round, in the same stitch we will be doing one more half double crochets. Okay, now for the remaining stitches, we will do our half double crochet in the second loop of the half double crochet stitches and do 2 half double crochets in that second loop. Okay, again in the following stitch, we will do 2 half double crochets in the second loop of that stitch. If you want, you can do the half double crochets in taking the both the loops, but I am doing this because this will give a self-designed pattern. Anyways, it's your choice. Okay, so in this way, in this round, we are going to do 2 half double crochets in each of the stitches in the second loop of the half double crochet. And so in total there will be 12 half double crochet stitches in this round. Okay, we will soon complete this round. That is, we will complete the 12 half double crochet stitches, and at the end we will just slip stitch in the second chain of the starting chain 2 of this round. Okay, so the second round is also done. Let's begin the third one with a chain 2. Okay, that is the first half double crochet. Then in the following stitch we are going to do 2 half double crochets in the second loop of the stitch. Okay, then in the following stitch we will do 1 half double crochet and 2 half double crochets in the next stitch. Okay, I hope you understood. That is, in one stitch we are going to do 1 half double crochet and in the following stitch 2 half double crochets, and repeat this pattern, okay, till you reach the end. The stitches are to be done in the second loop of the half double crochet for the self-designed pattern. At the end, we will complete this round with a slip stitch in the second chain of the starting chain 2 of this round. We will begin the next round with a chain 2. In the next stitch, we will be doing 1 half double crochet in the second loop of that stitch. Okay. In the next stitch, we will be doing 2 half double crochets in the second loop of that stitch. Okay, so this is the pattern. That is, we will do 1 half double crochet in the next stitch, followed by 1 half double crochet in the following stitch, and in the next stitch we will be doing 2 half double crochets. Okay, I will repeat again. 1 half double crochet, again 1 half double crochet, and 2 half double crochets in the next stitch. Okay, we will follow this pattern throughout this round. This will give us total 24 half double crochets. At the end, just slip stitch in the second chain of the starting chain 2 of this round. We will begin with a chain 2. In the next 2 stitches, we will do 1 half double crochet each in the second loop. Okay, and in the fourth stitch from the beginning, we will do 2 half double crochets. So 1 and 2. We will repeat this pattern. That is, in the following 3 stitches we will do 1 half double crochet each. Okay, and in the fourth stitch we will do 2 half double crochets. I will show this to you again. That is 1 half double crochets in the following 3 stitches. In the second loop, of course, and in the fourth stitch we will be doing 2 half double crochets. We will complete this round soon, and at the end we will just do a slip stitch in the second chain of the starting chain 2. We will now begin the round 6. Okay, so chain 2. Okay, in the following 3 stitches we will do 1 half double crochet each. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, in the fifth stitch from the beginning we will be doing 2 half double crochets, 1 and 2. Then we will repeat the pattern, that is in the following 4 stitches we will do 1 half double crochet each. Okay, then in the fifth stitch we will be doing 2 half double crochets. I will show this to you again. In the following 4 stitches we will be doing 1 half double crochet each. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And in the fifth stitch we will be doing 2 half double crochets, 1 and 2. End of this round we will complete it with a slip stitch in the second chain of the starting chain 2. Okay, so round 6 is also done. Let's begin the round 7. Okay, so again begin with a chain 2, 1 and 2. This is the first half double crochet. Then in the following 4 stitches we are going to do 1 half double crochet each. Three and 4. Done. Then in the 6th stitch from the beginning we will be doing 2 half double crochets. Okay, we will repeat the pattern again. In the following 5 stitches we will be doing 1 half double crochet each. And 5. Okay, and in the 6th stitch we will be doing 2 half double crochets, 1 and 2. We will repeat again. Okay, in the following 5 stitches 1 half double crochet each. Okay, done. And in the 6th stitch we will be doing 2 half double crochet. We will complete this round, okay, with a slip stitch in the second chain of the starting chain 2, and then proceed to the round 8 beginning with a chain 2. Okay, from round 8 to round 14 we are going to do 1 half double crochets in each of the stitches. One half double crochets in the second loop of each of the stitches are being done now. We will quickly complete this round. Okay, and at the end we will just join by slip stitch in the second chain of the starting chain 2 of this round, followed by chain 2 and proceed to the 9th row. Okay, again in each of the stitches we are doing 1 half double crochet each. We will do like this till the round 14. Okay, this is the end of the round 14. Okay, after the last half double crochet we will complete this round with a slip stitch in the second chain of the starting chain 2 of this round. Okay, like this, followed by a chain 1 and we will cut the yarn. Okay, so our baby beanie is ready. You can leave it like this only. The height should be nearly 4 inches. Okay, and the circumference should be 9 inches for a premature kid's head. The other size chart is given in the description box. Okay, we will cut the yarn after the chain 1. Okay, now for the border we will take the blue colored yarn or any yarn of your contrasting color and do a slip knot and insert the hook in it. Then we are going to slip stitch in any of the stitches, preferably in the second chain of the starting chain 2 of the previous round where we ended the last row. Okay, so just do a slip stitch there, followed by a chain 1 to secure it. In the same stitch we will be doing one single crochet. Done. Now we will be doing the single crochets in the back loop of the following stitches. In a half double crochet stitch there are 3 loops, so 1, 2 and 3. In the third back loop we are going to do our stitches. Okay, so insert your hook in the third loop of the following stitch. Okay, pull the yarn through it and do a single crochet. Similarly we will proceed. Insert your hook in the back loop, pull the yarn through it, do a single crochet in each of the following stitches, 1, 2 and 3. Third loop, yarn over and do a single crochet. As I said earlier, you can take the first 2 loops also for doing the single crochets, but the single crochets in the third loop is going to give a chain like self design, as you can see. Okay, so proceed in this manner till you reach the end of this round. Okay, at the end of this round we will simply do a slip stitch, okay, in the starting single crochet of this round. Okay, followed by a chain 1 and we will cut the yarn and weave in the loose ends. So our baby beanie is ready for a premature kid's head. Okay, the size chart for the other age kids is given in description box. We will take the inch tape and measure the horizontal length. It should be nearly 4.5 inches. Multiplied by 2 gives 9 inches circumference and the height should be nearly 4 inches. Okay, so it's done. The beanie is ready. Now you can simply use it as it is, but I will add the flower which I made in the beginning of this video. Okay, so we will just simply stitch our flower to the hat either at the center or at the side like this. Okay, with a contrasting colored yarn, cut the extra yarn. So I hope you liked this tutorial. It's divided in two parts, so if you wish you can either make the flower or the hat. Both the tutorials are included here, so two in one. So please like my video, and if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. I will answer your queries, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.